You finally get a chance to unwind, check the news, and maybe even do some research. You see an awesome opportunity, a stock price dipping after hours, or maybe some pre-market buzz that has you itching to buy. But then reality hits, the markets are closed. Arg! If you've ever been in this situation and used Wealthsimple, you might be wondering, does Wealthsimple even allow after-hours trading? The answer? Yes, but with some limitations. Let's dive into everything you need to know about buying and selling on Wealthsimple after the closing bell. First things first, what exactly is after-hours trading? The standard stock market hours in the U.S. are typically 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But the magic of finance doesn't stop there. Electronic communication networks, ECNs, allow trading to continue after hours from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and even before the market opens, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This extended period is known as pre-market and after-hours trading. So, Wealthsimple lets you play in this extended market playground? Partially. Wealthsimple offers extended hours trading, but there are some key things to keep in mind. Firstly, it's only available for U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs. Canadian listings and other asset classes are off-limits for extended hours on Wealthsimple. Secondly, you'll be using the Wealthsimple mobile app to place these trades. The web platform isn't currently equipped for extended hours action. Here's the exciting part, what can you actually trade? Wealthsimple doesn't give you access to the entire market after hours. They offer a curated selection of U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs that are eligible for extended hours trading. Finding these tradable stocks is easy. Just open the Wealthsimple app and navigate to the Discover tab. There's a search bar where you can type in extended hours trading and filter your search for the specific stocks you're interested in. Now, before you go on a late-night stock buying spree, there are some crucial things to consider. Lower liquidity. After-hours trading typically has lower trading volume compared to regular market hours. This means it might be harder to find buyers or sellers for your chosen stock, potentially affecting your order execution and price. Increased volatility. With fewer participants, prices can be more volatile in extended hours. Stocks can swing more dramatically, which can be a double-edged sword, higher potential gains, but also steeper potential losses. Limited support. Wealthsimple's customer support team might have limited availability during extended hours. So, if you run into any issues, resolving them might take a bit longer. Order types. Forget fancy order options here. Wealthsimple only allows limit orders for extended hours trades. This means you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay for a stock or the minimum price you'd accept to sell. So, is after-hours trading with Wealthsimple a good idea? It depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're a seasoned investor comfortable with volatility and understand the limitations, it can be a way to capitalize on opportunities outside regular market hours. But, for new investors, it's probably best to stick to trading during regular market hours when there's more liquidity and support available. Remember, after-hours trading can be a gamble. Do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.